Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.25-inch IPS touchscreen spatial Android 8.1 Oreo system spatial for BMW 1 Series F20 F21 2011 to 2016, 2 Series F23 2013 to 2016 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Okay, you have music, Bluetooth navigation, file manage, car info, browser, video, DVR settings, dashboard, link, apps. All apps are here. And firstly, let me show the setting. You can check Android version is 8.0 or 8.1. Oreo system is RAM 2GB, ROM 32GB. Okay, let me check these settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, show Wi-Fi, and system language. You can change all languages here. About tablet, you can check model is RK3399, PX6. Android version is 8.1. Oreo system. Okay. Let me back to home. Firstly, let me introduce music. Okay. The head unit have two USB cable on back connected back head unit. Okay, this USB driver. Let me connect USB. Okay, it will play music automatically. There are no sound because I do not connect small speaker. Not connect small speaker. There are no sound. If you install in your car, it's plug and play, so it will have sound. You can check next. Next. Okay, you can choose this random and other. Okay, this is stop. It's up. Okay, this you can place local SD card, USB, this video. Okay, this is the music. Let me show the Bluetooth. It's BT settings, you can check. This device name is Belsee. Device pin code is 40. Okay. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me turn on the Bluetooth from your phone at first. It's Bluetooth. Okay. Click pair. Click search. Okay, it will show Galaxy S8 Plus. Please connect this button. It show connecting. Okay, it show Bluetooth. You can check this Bluetooth change color. Okay. For now, you can make a phone call. Okay, it's supposed to make a free phone call. Hang up. Okay. If you allow your phone list, it will show the contact number. You can allow your phone. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, next. Okay. That's all for Bluetooth. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth. You have navigation, it's built in Google Maps. And support other navigation from Play Store. It's file managed. You can download document. Okay, car info. It supports parking sensor. When you connect the camera, it will show the back. There are no single. It supports parking sensor browser. You can put our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website and contact to us. It shows us slow because if you visit use VPN, it will be fast. Our server in USA. Okay, it shows slow because our site server in USA, not our country. Okay, let me check other. It's video. You can play video from USB. This video. It's a 4K video. This 4K Samsung 4K demo video around the world. It's supposed to play 4K video. Okay. Show the video. This DVR you connect. It supports USB dash camera. This dashboard, it will show original information. Okay, this is phone link. It's phone link, mirror link. Support Android phone and iPhone. It is Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi support. Okay, all apps in here. It supports TPMS. You can download all applications from Play Store, and it's built in Google Maps. It supports DAB+. Okay, this is original information, back camera. Okay. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. You also can change the factory. 1314. Click OK. You can change the UI. It's choose 3 UI built-in: BMW NBT, BMW EVO new ID6. Okay, you can choose boot logo. Please choose your car type in here. This is very important. Okay. Let me choose BMW NBT. When you back home, it do not change because you need to restart the head unit. Let me turn off and turn on with power 12 voltage. It will show BMW. You also can change this logo in the settings. Okay, this is NBT system. It's for Bluetooth. All apps are here. You can check language, time, audio. You can set in this NBT system. Okay, let me back here. Factory setup. Let me choose RD6. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can contact visit belsee.com, belse.com. Okay, this is RD6. It supports iDrive. Okay, that's all. Thank you.